Hello people, this is Dr. Bijan. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm a doctor studying medicine, fourth year in Russia. I'm making videos on Forex market, about the currency exchange and also on lifestyle. If you've been following me for a while, you can see that I have made some videos about the strategy in the forex market, a strategy that help you to generate money quickly. All right. The name of the strategy is fishing strip. Okay, it's a strategy that basically it gives you an opportunity to get out the market, make money, and simple as that. So basically, it gives you some pips very quick, so give you some money very quick. But as I said, it is a strategy. You have to follow that, you have to use it, you have to implementing it, and you have to know the rules about the strategy. So if you are new, please visit my other videos about the fishing strip. I have made 2 videos on that one. Just follow that, okay, and then come back to this video. So this video is about the how to filter the setups. Okay, so basically, I just say that. So we said that we just using the Bollinger Band strategy. So we're just looking for a candle to just close outside the band, and then the straight away another candle open outside and close inside the bands. Okay, and this is the setup that we are looking at. But now I'm going to show you some filters. All right, so it means that I'm just trying to increase the probability of our trades. Okay, so we're trying to pick up strong setups. Okay, because look, this is just a market, you can see a lot of like signals. All right, but we just want to filter out the weak signals. We're just trying to pick up strong signals that increase our probability. As I said, this market is basically you trying to find A plus setups. That's what I'm looking at, okay, and that's what I'm going to teach you. A plus setups, okay. Now I will just switch to my laptop. I'll go to my MT4 and then I'll show you what I mean. Okay, all right, just continue watching. All right. Okay, I've opened my MP4 and now I'm going to uh, give you the setups that I'm actually after in this strategy. As I said, I have taught you before about the fishing strip strategy. I've made a couple of videos, and now today, so I just strongly recommend you to go and check them out. Okay, and today I'm going to in my third video, going to teach you how you can filter out the weak setups. Okay, so you are pretty much, we're trying to find strong setups. Okay, all right. First of all, what we are looking at, let me just zoom in this one a bit more so we can see exactly what is we are after. Okay, now let's check first of all. Okay, as I said before, to go long, what we are after a, a candle to close the lower Bollinger Band, okay, to close this one, and then the next one will open outside the band and close back inside the Bollinger Band. So this is candle number one, candle number two. This is quickly, okay? All right, this is the first one. To go short, so what we are looking at, we're looking at a candle to close above the upper Bollinger Band, okay, and then the very next one to open above and then close back inside the band. This is to go short, okay. Now, okay, what filter we are going at? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to give you the setups that basically there is a chance of the more increased probability of making more money. Okay, all right. So, for example, look at this setup here. Okay, look at this. The first candle close outside the lower band. Now, this is candle number one. Candle number two open outside, close back inside, and then this is our setup. As soon as the candle finish that day, we can enter, right, we can enter into market. Our stop would be 15 pips below the setup. Okay, now look at this setup. The setup, this one has played beautifully. Okay, and it pretty much hit our target. Okay, the target was the other Bollinger. Look at this one. Okay, this is like 1 to 2 setups. Okay, this is like, if it's bad, like I don't know, 80 or 90 pips. Okay, something like that. Let's just check it out. If this one is about like 105 pips, okay, we have reached this one about 180, so 190. So pretty much we have hit our target, which is 1 to 2, and we have made really good money. But look at this setup. Okay, now this is quite a strong setup, and this is what we are after. Look at this one. The second candle has opened below the first candle, this one, and closed above the first candle. So this candle is called a bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle. Okay, bullish engulfing. So essentially, what we are looking at, we're looking at something like this. Okay, so our second candle should be pretty much bigger than the first one, or at least more than 2/3 of the height of first candle. So for example, what does it mean? For example, if our first candle, let's just see, so we put the bearish candle with the red one. If this is the bearish candle, okay, what we want the second candle, the second candle to be either bigger the first one, or at least about 2/3 of the height of first candle. So for example, if this one, the first candle, okay, this is the first candle. Oh, sorry, it's difficult to just draw with this epic pen. Anyhow, let's just change the color. So the second candle would be pretty much around this much. Okay, so more than 2/3. This is what we want. Okay, pretty much that's what we want. Okay, all right, all right. Now let's just filter the market and let's just browse the market and see what we can find. Okay, all right. So here, you see, this is the setup that I'm after. This is the bullish engulfing candle, and this was just about like a couple of weeks ago, more than 2 weeks ago. And Euro USD is very recent trade, very good trade, and that generated really good money. If you would have entered here, you would hit your target, 1 to 2 target, really good money, easy money, fantastic, no problem. Okay, all right. Now let's just filter our market and see what we can find. Okay, okay. So this is the first setup. Do we have anything else? Nope. All right, here you'll see anything else? Nope, we don't see. This setup here. It won't qualify our based on criteria. All right, let's see this one. There is one here. There is one here. First candle outside. First candle close outside. The second one inside. Pretty much 2/3. That would qualify in our setup. Pretty much really good setup. The height is equal, and then it would target pretty much beautifully more than 1 to 2 reward to ratio, reward to risk, right? Our reward to risk ratio is more than 2. So let's just check it out, see how much we are earning here. So for example, here, if our stop would be below this one is about 83. Okay, now here we are getting about 200, nearly 200, so it's about more than 3 times. Okay, so 3 times return. This is really good return. Okay, all right, let's just move on. Anything else? Nope, we don't see anything to qualify here. Anything else? Nope. All right, this one, this is another one. Look at this one. Okay, beautiful setup. This is candle number one. Candle number two. Look at this one, beautifully big and really strong, like it's called like a bearish engulfing candle. Right, and then look at this. Look at the rewards. Big reward here. Okay, so look at the setups. Pretty much, we have picked 3 setups, and then they all generated good money for us. You see, it's easy, rewarding, fantastic strategy that we can use, implement in our market. But as I said, strict risk management, and that give us really good return. Okay, and as I said, this is just only simple currency that we are trying to do. Okay, let's move on. Let's see if we can find another strategy, another opportunity here. All right, don't see anything to qualify for that. All right, that's another strong. All right, look at this one. This is another one. Look at this one here. Okay, look at this one. This setup. This is another setup. And basically, what we are seeing this is candle number one, candle number two. By the finish, this is more than 2/3 of the height. And then by the third candle, enter, exit, and look at the reward. Okay, the reward, fantastic. Hitting the next opposite next Bollinger Band, and that's pretty much more than 2 to 1 reward to risk. Really good return, fantastic, and we are done with this trade. Okay, look, essentially, this is what you need. You need only like let's see, 3 to 4% a month, and that easily can be generated by only following this strategy. You can see only we just we picked four, 5 trades, and they all made good money. Right? Just only with simple strategy. Four good look. You have if you pick like about four, let's see, 4 winning trade. Okay, uh, 2 to 1 reward to risk. Okay, 4 times 2, that makes it about 8% return. Even if you the next 4 trade you lose your trade, okay, you lose 4 times 1% your account, that makes it about 4%. Okay, so out of 8 trades, if you are just winning 4 trades, still at the end of the month you be in green, and you are up about 4%, and pretty much that's all we need. 4% a month for, let's see, 12 months, that makes making it something about 60 to 70% return, and this is fantastic return for your investment. Okay, nothing will give you this kind of investment, this kind of return at all. Okay, so this in this look, even like as I said, nothing in the world will give you this amount of return, okay, on your investment, on your investment. Okay, so that's why it is really profitable strategy. If you learn the strategy, implementing it right, using the strict money management, all right, and that will give you a really good return over the period of time. Okay, all right, let's move on, see if we can find another. All right, let's go. Okay, this is just euro USD. Let's go to a pound USD. Pound USD, and let's see if we can find good filter here. Okay, strike, as I said, our strict strategy. All right, so basically what we are looking at. Okay, and we're trying to see if we can find a really good setup. Okay, all right, anything to follow our look. You can see this one here. Look at, see his this one here. All right, 1 to 2, bam, boom, the other hit the target. This one wouldn't be qualified. Okay, that's why, because as I said, we need the second candle to be more than 2/3. So this is out of the thing, and this is what I meant about the filtering out. Because you see, once you know that what you are after, okay, you wouldn't get involved in this one, in this strategy, because you know this is not good quality. Okay, and you wouldn't get involved. Also, it didn't work out. Okay, although it's here we can see it quite work fantastic, but I said I wouldn't pick this one because based on our strategy and our setup, we are after a really, really strong price action. Okay, all right, let's move on, see if we can find another good opportunity here. All right, this is another one. This is another one. See this one here? The first candle, second candle, boom, strong return. Fantastic. That's all we want. Okay, very strong return. Another one in a row. Look at that one. Look at that one. See here? This one here. One out, one in, boom, hitting our target. See, this is a strong strategy, very strong strategy. Okay, you just need to learn this one, follow that. Okay, if you have any questions, just as I said, ask down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. um, if you enjoy the video, give you a thumb up. Okay, and then if you have any question, ask down below. Okay, that will give the I will try to get back to your questions. All right, and then make sure you hit the bell. Also, if I'm just making new videos, you're getting notified about the new videos. Okay, fantastic people. Well, have a great day, and I'm hoping that you will implement this strategy, and you can quickly earn money out of this strategy. Good day, people.